Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a business website on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the website section next to the print button and click to the second option, the business website. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos and more to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find the images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example shapes, stickers, charts and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select a picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. You can edit this your text. If you want to change the style of the text, just click to the arrow next to the Safira March text style name, and here you can choose another text style or font type and just select one and step on it. And if you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon, and in the effects section you can add different effects to your text, for example shadow and different shape format. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.